Now, looking at this nature around us, I wonder what Taman Alam Kuala Selangor has for us. We are here. Taman Alam Kuala Selangor is a haven for a wide variety of flora and fauna that comprises over 290 hectares of coastal land, where a large part of it is a mangrove swamps. Kuala Selangor Nature Park was opened in 1987 with a total area of 296 hectares, which divided into two main areas. There is a 200 hectare wide tropical rainforest and the balance is swamp forest. Wow, there are also mangrove planting programs that are held here.
One of the mangrove tree at Taman Alam Kuala Selangor is Avicennia spp, which is grey mangrove. The grey mangrove is well adapted to survive in harsh, waterlogged and saline environments. It has specialized aerial roots that protrude above the soil, absorb oxygen even in oxygen-poor mud.
The pencil-like aerial roots are called pneumatophores. It protrudes above the soil to absorb oxygen even in a low oxygen mud. Lantana camera is a species of flowering plant in the verbena family. One of the significant advantages of lantana plants is their ability to attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies, aiding in pollination. We also found one of a common fungi. Coprinellus disseminatus, also known as Perry incap, is a species of agaric fungi in the family Citrulaceae.
Sophie, masuk Sophie. This is a fiddler crab. The fiddler crab or calling crab can be one of the 100 species of semi-terrestrial marine crabs in the family Ocypodidae. These crabs are well known for their extreme sexual dimorphisms, where the male crabs have a major claw significantly larger than their minor claw, whilst female claws are both the same size. The name fiddler crab comes from the appearance of the small and large claw together looking similar to a fiddle. The silver lutung, also known as the silver leaf monkey or the silver langur, is an old world monkey. It is arboreal, living in coastal, mangrove and riverine forests such as Peninsular Malaysia.
We also learned from one of the workers that there are also horseshoe crab in the mangrove. It is called Carcinoscorpius rotundocauda. They feed on algae, marine worms, clams and other mollusks, also dead fish.
Have you ever witnessed a magic glowing forest where tiny lights dance through the night? They are fireflies, or we call them as kalip-kalip. These tiny little creatures are, with their enchanting glow, have captivated humans for centuries. But did you know there's more to them other than their beauty? So, let's join us to explore the fascinating world of kalip-kalip at Kampung Kuantan Sanctuary, and we discover why the tiny lights have a big impact on our life and the world around us.
We have arrived at the Kampung Kuantan Firefly Sanctuary and we cannot wait to explore and show you guys around. And here we are preparing to see the fireflies and we are super excited to explore the fireflies with you guys. But first, let me share a little bit info about fireflies, or we call them as kalip-kalip, with you guys. Why Kampung Kuantan? Kampung Kuantan is a small picturesque village surrounded by coconut and oil palm trees. It is located about 56 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur and just 9 kilometers from the town of Kuala Selangor. What makes this place unique is that it's home to one of the largest firefly colonies in the world. It's often compared to the colonies in the Amazon, Brazil, but here we have different species. Now, let's talk about fireflies. Did you know that there are actually beetles? They belong to the Lampridae family, which includes over 1,900 species. You can find them in tropical regions, except in deserts and mountains. Their most amazing feature is their ability to produce light, which is created through a chemical reaction in a special organ in your abdomen. The color of the light depends on the species. Here in Kampung Kuantan, the firefly habitat was discovered in 1985 by a local entrepreneur who promoted it as a natural wonder of Kuala Selangor. There are three main species of fireflies at Kampung Kuantan, which are Thyreoptis tenor, Thyreoptis valiae, and Thyreoptis malaceae. The most common is Thyreoptis tenor. These tiny fireflies are just 5 to 10 millimeters long and flash in synchronized patterns. And for your information, fireflies in Kampung Kuantan rely on the berembang tree, also known as Soneratia cassiolaris. These trees grow along the Selangor River and thrive in moist and swampy conditions. The berembang tree plays a crucial role in the fireflies ecosystem. It provides nectar for adult fireflies and helps to filter pollution like industrial waste and pesticide. That's a little insight into Kampung Kuantan and its incredible firefly colony. If you ever get the chance, visit this sanctuary. It's a memorable experience that you won't forget. Now, let's talk about why fireflies and their habitat are so important to us and the world around us. Firstly, fireflies are bioindicators. This means their presence shows the environment is healthy and balanced, especially in wetlands like Kampung Kuantan. Second, the berembang trees that fireflies rely on help to clean the environment by filtering pollution like industrial waste and pesticide. This benefits both wildlife and humans. Lastly, fireflies inspire us to connect with nature. Protecting them not only preserves their beauty but also supports ecosystems that sustain all life including ours. And by protecting places like Kampung Kuantan, we are helping the environment to support biodiversity and inspiring future generations to care for our planet.